If you've been hearing people talk about the new Siri experience in iOS 27, you're probably wondering what actually changed. Because honestly, Apple is pushing much harder into AI now, and many users are expecting Siri to become far more powerful than the version we've had for years. So in this video, I'll show you how the new Siri experience is expected to work in iOS 27, including Setup AI Features app integration, and how people may use it day to day in 2026 first. What is the new Siri experience? Apple has been expanding Siri using Apple Intelligence, which combines AI assistance personal context and deeper system integration directly inside the iPhone. And honestly, the goal is to make Siri feel less like a simple voice assistant and more like an actual AI helper. Now the first step, make sure your iPhone supports the newest AI features, because not every iPhone model supports advanced Apple Intelligence functions. Some features may require newer iPhones' updated hardware or specific regions and languages, so always check Apple's official compatibility information. Now, once your device is updated, open Settings, then go to Siri or Apple Intelligence Settings, depending on how Apple organizes the features in future versions. And honestly, this is where most AI options will likely be managed. Now, one of the biggest changes, more natural conversations, because older versions of Siri often struggled with follow-up questions, context, and complicated requests. But newer AI systems are designed to remember parts of the conversation, meaning you can continue asking related questions without repeating everything. And honestly, that makes the experience feel much more natural. Now, another huge feature, app actions, because Siri is expected to interact with apps more deeply. For example, instead of manually opening multiple apps, you may be able to say things like send files, organize notes, create reminders, edit information, or complete tasks using natural language. And honestly, this could save a lot of time. Now let's talk about on-screen awareness, because one of the most interesting AI features is understanding what's currently on your screen, meaning Siri may help with the messages, emails, documents, or web pages based on what you're actively viewing. And honestly, this is one of the biggest AI upgrades people are excited about. Now, another feature, writing assistance, because Apple Intelligence includes tools that can help rewrite text, summarize content, improve grammar, and generate responses inside supported apps. And honestly, many users already use these features daily. Now let's talk about voice interaction, because Siri is expected to sound more natural, faster, and more conversational compared to older versions. And honestly, that's something Apple users have been requesting for years. Now, another useful thing, cross-device integration, because Apple wants Siri to work more smoothly across iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and AirPods, meaning requests may feel more connected between devices. Now, another huge area, personal context, because future AI features may help Siri understand your routines, preferences, schedules, and frequently used apps, while still keeping privacy protections in place. And honestly, this could make responses much more useful. Now, something very important, some features may roll out gradually, because Apple often releases initial AI tools, later updates, and regional expansions over time. So not every feature may be available immediately when iOS 27 launches. Now, let's talk about privacy, because honestly, this is one of Apple's biggest focuses. Apple continues emphasizing on-device processing, private AI features, and stronger data protection compared to many cloud-based systems. And honestly, privacy will likely remain a major part of Apple's AI strategy. Now, let's be honest for a second. For years, many people joked about Siri being behind other AI assistants, but Apple is clearly trying to change that. And honestly, the company is investing heavily in making Siri much smarter going forward. So to wrap this up, the new Siri experience, in iOS 27 is expected to focus on more natural conversations, AI powered assistance, deeper app control, writing tool screen awareness, better voice interactions, and stronger integration across Apple devices. Because honestly, Siri may become one of the biggest parts of the iPhone experience in 2026.